guys, I'm Stella from Meet You. Very nice to meet you. Today I'm gonna show you my second traveler's notebook from Chic Sparrow. Due to COVID-19, my nightingale had to make a long journey. It took almost 3 weeks. It is too much delayed more than usual. A journal YouTube channel Just Scribble told me about the clearance sale, and I found out my favorite leather nightingale is also on clearance sale, which is providing 20% off discount. And here's my order description. Since my favorite color is gray and sometimes green, I was really happy to order a nightingale. And don't forget to take this cute little sticker. And finally, it's time to unbox this package. I'm so excited because I'm really waiting for this moment. And this is it. The leather is so smooth and soft. It looks like gray one, but it also has a slightly green tone. I've told you about my favorite color, and that's why I choose to order a nightingale. And here's the pen rip. A5 is not that big. I'm gonna use this for my writings and composing music. And this one is dashboard. I'll show you later. Many people don't like favorite textured inner side, and yes, I think it is quite unusual. I mean, comparing to other traveler's notebook. And here's the hidden part, written nightingale on it. For the deluxe model, it has many pockets inside, which is very useful. Big pocket on the back side, and 3 card slots, and 1 big pocket on the front side. I think it is just perfect to carry all. I mean, some journal supplies, memo pad or something. And this is the moment for the dashboard. It has Chic Sparrow printing on the back side, and I can put something in there, something like thin and small. Actually, this leather is too weak. I think I need to be more careful when handling this. And the leather is thinner than others, and it is definitely lighter than others too. Let's compare to the Fergus, which is my very first Chic Sparrow. The inner side is fuzzy and soft, not like nightingale. And I'm gonna compare its thickness to each other. Can you see the difference? Fergus is harder and thicker, so it is good for you to use it as a wallet. I made this vintage notebook and set up with zipper pocket. And the notebook cover is envelope so that you can put some journal stuffs in there. I think Fergus is also good leather and looks so pretty. If you are looking for the wallet, medium hand leather is very nice for you. Let's get back to the point. Despite all the imperfection, like its weakness or easily scratched and too thin to carry all the notebooks, but I like this leather, mysteriously beautiful color, and its softness and smoothness. I feel like ordering one more, maybe A6 size, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Bye.